how to add hyperlink in HubSpot email. So first, go to your account, and then you just need to click on marketing here at the left side, and then click on email. Okay, so now once you're here, you just need to either create a new email or you just need to open up one of your emails. So let's say I'm going to open up one of mine. Okay, now once you've opened up one of your emails, you just need to select the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink. So let's say I'm going to turn this one into a hyperlink, and then you just need to click on this one here, insert link. Okay, now here you just need to select whether you want to link it to an email address, email subscription link, or there are a bunch of options here that you can use. So let's say I'm going to use the URL, then you just need to type in the URL of the, okay, let's say I'm going to link it to youtube.com. Okay, now once you've done that, you just need to click on insert here. Then let's see if it works. Let's just preview it. Okay, now as you can see here, it turned it to a hyperlink. So let's see if it works. So just click on it. And there you go. It definitely works. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.